Today, we're talking about Qaed version. I don't know if this is going to be good or not. We'll see. I know initial thoughts, I actually really like it. I really like it a lot. Now, whether it lives up to the hype yet, we will see. All right, this might be one of the most hyped fragrances I keep hearing about. It's Qaed version. I keep getting asked about this. Well, let's unbox it and see if it lives up to the hype or, like other fragrances, it's overhyped. Let's just find out. All right, so here is the box. Again, it's just a standard Lattafa box. Nothing that fancy. Let's get it open. There's the cap. And here is the fragrance. So, oh, it's magnetic. Cool. So here is the bottle in all its glory. Like, when it comes to one of those Middle Eastern fragrances, this really isn't that gaudy. So, I don't know. I kind of like it. But we don't care about the bottle design. We do not care about the box. What we care about, the juice. Took a lot longer to spray than I thought it was. Let us find out. Whoa. Okay. Everyone said it's a heavy pineapple fragrance. Ooh, I can smell it. Here is the atomizer. It's okay. It's not the greatest atomizer, but you'll get the job done, I think. So, it's pineapple. Like, that's the fragrance. It is pineapple. There is a little bit of like depth to it. So for example, this one here, Rave Now, the EDP, this is just pineapple. And I gotta say, in the air, it smells the same. So, yeah, this one's just a bright pineapple fragrance, no depth whatsoever, just pineapple. This one, on the other hand, has a bit of depth to it, a bit of intrigue, let's say, to it. Yeah, I kind of like it. It's very realistic, just sweet pineapple juice. I would say, like, if you open a can of pineapple, you know, those like sliced or chunks where they mash it up, that's what you're getting. Or even just cut open a real pineapple. Like, you're getting this sweet pineapple scent to it. I don't know about performance. I don't know about longevity. I don't know about projection. I just know, first impression, it's okay. This isn't something that's blowing my mind. If I'm being totally honest, of all the fragrance I've smelled recently that are pineapple, this is probably my favorite. This is Nitro Platinum by Dumont. This is a gorgeous pineapple. Great scent, great DNA, great longevity. Great atomizer, really does a good job. I think, I'm not saying no to Qaed version. I think this smells better though, if I'm honest. And for being a cheapie, so I've seen Platinum go for 30 bucks. I know Qaed version's a little bit less than that, but I think it's worth the extra price. I think the $10 more is worth it to get the Nitro Platinum. But that being said, I will wear Qaed version. I'll get to know it, find out the longevity, performance, all that stuff, sillage. Oh, but come on. Like, great atomizer. Oh, it smells so good. Just pineapple. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm liking it a lot right now. We'll see. Comment down below. Let me know. Have you smelled this fragrance before? What are your thoughts? And as always, thank you so much for following the channel. This is Nubs. Can't wait to talk to you in the future.